Hey guys, what's going on? GTXYZ here. Just wanted to let you guys know that I am still new to this whole editing thing, so the audio is not going to be the best, the quality isn't going to be the best, but I am trying. So if you guys have any tips, please go ahead and let me know. Down there we got my favorite staff, one of the three, Jay Sparrow. Shout out to him. Shout out to this dude. And shout out to that random spawner in over there. We are on RiverSide Roleplay, and I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Other than that, hope to see you guys in the next one. And peace. What the hell's going on? Okay. Anyways. Well, this is interesting. Oh, fuck. What'd you say? I can't hear you. What do you want? What the fuck? Oh, Jesus. Sorry, officers, can you stop? Can you go away? Officers, go away! Haha! Gotcha, bitch! Oh man, this is scary. This is really scary. How does this feel that y'all are chasing a lawnmower right now? Anyways, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Yeah. I don't know what's going on here. They got a tractor or something. Uh-oh. What should I do here? I wonder what I'm gonna do. Oh, am I going this way? Uh-oh. No, I'm not. Haha, gotcha, bitch. Man, give it a go. The clock's run up for you. Give it a go. Give it a go. Give it a go. Bang, dong, zing, wang, ding, dong. I think they're gonna start up spike strips. Oh. Oh yeah, look at these. Ow! That hurt. No, you don't. Nope.
2047.
Get off the vehicle!
Never! Uh-oh. This is rough. This is scary. Ha! Gotcha, bitch. Juked out.
Pull over.
Gotcha. Nope! I'm not pulling over. I am not pulling over. Not a day in my life.
Are you serious, bruh?
No. Uh-oh, where am I gonna go? Where am I gonna go? Uh-oh. 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 Oh, shit.
Oh shit. Welcome.
Uh-oh. Not gonna happen.
Don't move or you will be tased again. Don't move or
Give it
you
a
will
go,
be
give
tased
it a
again.
go, give it a go, give it a go, give it a go,
Don't
give it a go,
move,
give it a
you
go.
will
Ow, shit.
Hands! Show me your hands!
Give it a go, give it a go, give it a go. Oh, give it a go, give it a go. It's a big deal. Oh, fuck, man. This is really hurting my feelings. Man, officer, this is hurting my feelings. What happened? What did I do? I ain't seen nothing. What did I do? Officer, did I do something?
Alright.
What did I do?
So the rest remain silent if you say can't move against your court of law.
What did
Your
I
acts
do?
attorney, if you cannot afford
What
a lawyer,
you need to
advised
tell
by
me
the
what I
citizen
did.
affairs.
What did I do?
All search the lawnmower.
You come,
Yeah,
goslin,
I'm a search-
goblin. What did I do? What did I do?
Sir, I've searched your mower. What do I find?
Hey, that's a good question. What did he do? Because all he was doing was driving along.
I was driving a
Okay, he's
No
gonna
one
have
even told me what I was
methamphetamine.
doing.
He's gonna have a possession of
What
a
did I
Class
get pulled
A
over?
drug.
What did I was
Hey.
just mowing the road.
Yeah, I was just planning on pulling him over to see what was going on.
I was mowing the road.
Like,
Excuse
really
me.
did much.
I was rowing the
Man,
road.
that's the issue. If you would have stopped, you know.
I was mowing the road.
Sorry.
I was
where you guys
mowing
taking
the
him?
road.
We even got Air 1
SSP.
for this. We got Air 1.
LSPD? Bro, we're in Blaine County.
No,
Y'all have
that's
Air
S-
what?
S-
Where's the Air 1?
Oh,
Yeah.
SS.
Yeah, just take him to.
Oh my god, they had Air 1 for me.
Alright.
Jesus
Yeah.
Christ.
Let me
Oh. Alright.
Alright.
What
Oh
the
yeah,
hell?
you're good.
Okay, well, I guess I'm going to jail, huh?
Yeah.
Why am I going to jail?
We'll talk about that at the
Attempted
station.
homicide.
Attempted
I'm
homicide?
joking.
What? Did you search up my
Possession
previous
of a
record?
Possession of a Class A drug.
Oh, that's not a
Possession of
Class A drug. That's a Class M drug. M for meth. What's so funny?
Alright.
I don't see nothing funny.
Nothing.
Oh, you may want to go get that. Put your seatbelts on, please.
Sierra 60. Damn, I may have just passed it. It's whatever.
Hey, those spike strips didn't really work out now too well, didn't?
Yeah, you're just going too fast.
Yeah, I was zooming through. That was. Can you all put your seatbelts on? Please, thank you. You're ruining my precious ears. Please, please put your seatbelt on. Please put your seatbelt on.
Is there a turbo on that lawnmower?
There's a supercharger on it.
Yeah, I could tell. You were like, that was
Yeah,
super
and I got 2 Lego Star Wars stickers on it, so it makes me give an extra like 15 horsepower for each sticker. So I go
Hold
pretty
on.
fast.
Can you mind taking them out real quick? I need to activate my radars. I haven't done that yet. Hold on.
I need to activate your mom. Actually, just put me in the jail cell for like a day or so.
Yeah, not even.
Why is there a
Why the fuck?
what's officer?
Logan.
I can't see nothing, officer.
Logan,
What the
fuck?
hell? Why is there a car in here?
I'm suffering right now. Hold on.
You know what? We don't ask questions.
Okay, let me just get in my jail cell.
Alright.
Alright, guys. Well, I'm in the jail cell. Oh, shit. I can't see nothing.
Oh, fuck. I forgot to kill it.
I don't know what's going on, but why am I in the jail cell?
Oh, I got it.
Alrighty.
So,
I think it was possession of meth or something like that.
you're not caught.
Hey, can you
Sir,
bend over for me?
Do you realize why you're going to jail? Do you realize why you're going to jail?
Ooh, you left your officer in here. Hmm.
Hey, don't touch me inappropriately. I don't like
Hey,
that.
Logan,
You don't like it? I want to touch you really
Oh,
inappropriately all around. Oh,
Fuck
you,
him in there. Alright,
All right,
you
sir.
stinky, smelly poo-poo head.
alright. Do you know why you're here today?
I fucked up.
You made a fucky wucky, yes.
I did.
A big fucky wucky.
Yep. Are we talking about
So,
shitting myself? Because if so, I
no,
made a big,
no,
big
no.
fucky wucky.
No, I'm
Explosive.
talking about driving a lawnmower on the fucking highway.
Explosive fucky wucky. What did I do?
Driving a lawnmower on the highway.
I was
Evading
mowing the
police
roads.
officer.
The roads were
Alright,
getting
police
grassy. I
officer.
had to
Alright,
mow the
listen.
roads.
Oh, you're definitely on something.
No, the roads were grassy.
Definitely.
Yeah, those roads were really grassy.
Exactly.
Yeah. Alright, anyway.
Y'all don't see it?
So, where we're at now is driving on the lawnmower. We just wanted to pull you over, find out what the hell's going on with you.
I was mowing the
What's wrong.
roads.
But you tried to run, and that's the problem.
Well, you guys had Air 1 on me and like 9 officers. I was scared.
I don't
All
think
for a
everyone was
lawnmower.
dispatched.
Air 1 was up in the air when I saw it. It was a helicopter. A helicopter I
It's
saw.
probably
I saw a helicopter.
It
It was
civilian
zooming
helicopter.
everywhere.
I don't believe any Air 1. Well, Air 1's in the city.
Oh. Alright. Have a good one.
How much jail time is he getting for this?
I'd say about a month.
Oh yeah, that seems fine with me. Yeah, I agree on that.
Yeah, we'll give you a month just for the evading. All right. So let me go ahead and.
All right, man.
All right, 1 month. I'm gonna get back in the vehicle.
All right, you guys. Man, this sucks. Well, fuck. Alrighty, well that's that. You forgot to uncuff me. Oh well. That sucks. Damn.